Hey guys, what's up? Star Trooper 47, and we're getting our AC unit replaced today with the one over there. So let's go up and see what's going on. How old would you say this unit is?
Probably as old as a house.
Fuck, 'cause it's been running for a long time. Somebody said it was from 97, so.
97?
Yeah. It's fucking old.
That would be older than that.
What? The 90s? High efficiency, my ass. Fucking name. Oh, this was a carry, right?
Yeah.
Is a carry a good one?
Oh yeah. Carry,
Yeah, it's.
I can't tell what it is. I don't know.
Yeah, this girl's been running a while. So you're installing one duct right here, and then you're installing the other duct here. So now you put them in. Those are special taps?
Yeah, they're called S-press.
Oh, okay. Shit. Well, it'll be great when the crane gets here. Here's the old ones. They are nasty as fuck. Yeah. Ugh. We're breathing that shit in. Do you know how unhealthy that is? Exactly.
That's why you gotta keep a filter all the time.
You can't stress it enough, man.
No?
I know. Yep. Yeah, these were huge back in the day. They got somebody that's going to recycle this unit, huh?
The crane guy just takes it. We don't do nothing with it.
Maybe I might know this crane guy. Who knows? I know only one crane guy out here. His name's Omar. He's a good guy. So he might be that guy. We never know, you know? It might be somebody else.
He's the same crane guy all the time.
Yep. Alright, well. I guess that's it, I guess, for now. Alright.